This year, at JEC 2025, we are back with even more innovation and cutting-edge solutions for advanced aerospace composite manufacturing. At IDEKO, we are committed to automation and precision at every single stage of the manufacturing processes. This year, we are introducing our automated dry material placement, which my colleague Peyo Lascuaga will explain you in more detail. You will also get to see the new liquid processable thermoplastic resins that we have developed at IDEKO, bringing greater sustainability and versatility to the aerospace industry. Continuing with the efficiency and environmental impact reduction, we will showcase an ultraviolet technology-based manufacturing process designed for fiberglass interior components in aircrafts. My colleague Javi Vallejo will walk you through this exciting innovation. But innovation doesn't stop there. In large component assembly and machining, we are unveiling two solutions that will change the game. Collaborative robotic photogrammetry, which improve assembly speed and accuracy, and a machining cell with two synchronized robots and advanced vision system, setting new standards for precision in large-scale parts.